Hello everyone, this is Neha and you are watching my channel Mission Science with Neha. So let us begin with the Science at Advanced Level syllabus for grade 9 2026-27. CBSE बोर्ड ने साइंस के अब बेसिक और एडवांस्ड दो डिफरेंट तरह के आपको चॉइसेस दी हैं ऑप्ट करने के लिए। तो सिलेबस है यहाँ पर क्लास 9th का। So here we begin the advanced level of syllabus of class 9th for the session 2026-27. Here are the chapters. The chapter number 1 for the advanced syllabus is measurement foundation of science. And then the next chapter is understanding motion through experience. Then the third chapter is Newton's laws of motion, and the fourth chapter is the geometry of power, that is the advanced simple machines. Fifth chapter is work and energy. Sixth chapter of the syllabus is structure of atom. Seventh chapter is chemical bonding. Eighth chapter is mixtures and their separation. Ninth chapter of bio, that is microscope and microscopy, and the third chapter and the end chapter of the syllabus of advanced level of science is engineering life, that is miracles in biotechnology. So here we begin with the chapters and their topics one by one. The first chapter is measurement, the foundation of science. It includes the first topic and you can say the introduction, that is what is measurement, its examples they have given. Second topic is the different systems of units like CGS system, PFS, FPS system and MKS system and examples. Next topic is need for a common system of units and problems without a common system, examples, some activities. Next topic is international system of unit, SI unit, its advantages, some examples. Next topic is conversion of units between different systems. And then here chapter finishes. After that the next chapter is understanding motion through experience. So here is the first topic, that is in the introduction, what is motion. The next topic is frame of reference. Motion is relative through activity, they have explained. Then scalars and vectors, quantities, they have explained. Vector addition with the help of the graphical method, they have explained. Some activities related to it. And then the next topic is equations of motions, which is similar like the last year's syllabus. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and the third is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. And then some activities, observing acceleration motion using a toy car, some observation conclusions they have given. Next topic is reflect, and next topic is project based learning. And with this chapter is finished. Next chapter is Newton's law of motion. It starts with limitations of Newton's law of accelerating frames, and then some activities they have given to understand it, some limitations, and about the pseudo force, frictious force they have given their observations and activities they have given related to it. After that, the second topic of the chapter is gravitation, concept of centripetal and centrifugal forces they have given in the chapter. After that, the third is effect of cross sectional area, air resistance on falling objects of equal mass. And next is variation of acceleration due to gravity with altitude and depth without using binomial theorem. Some deviations, acceleration due to gravity at height. So some derivations has introduced here. Acceleration due to gravity below the surface of earth. And then they have included next topic, that is turning forces or movement of force, that is torque. They have given some examples. With the help of examples they have explained it. After this chapter has finished here, next chapter begins. The name of the chapter is the geometry of power, advanced simple machines. It starts with the introduction and some activities. Then the topic is wheel and axle, the steering machine. Then some examples they have given, and next topic of the chapter is tension, activities they have given related to it. After that, chapter finishes here and then the new chapter starts, that is work and energy. The topic of the chapter is, which is starting the chapter, that is the conservative and non-conservative forces. And then the examples. After that, the next topic is potential energy of a spring, its observation and conclusion. Then the chapter finishes here. After that, the chapter starts, that is the structure of atom. The chapter starts with discovery of subatomic particles, and the subtopic is discovery of electron. They have given with the diagram and theory. And after that, next topic is discovery of the protons. Next is discovery of neutrons. And the next topic of the chapter is spectrum. Next is line spectrum of hydrogen, limitations of Rutherford's model of atom. Then Bohr's model is the next topic. Then achievement of Bohr's model, the limitations of Bohr's model they have given. After that, the chapter finishes, new chapter starts, that is chemical bonding. The first topic of the chemical bonding is octet rule. And then the Lewis approach, Lewis symbol. And then next topic is exceptions of the octet rule. Molecules with incomplete octet, molecules with expanded octets, molecules with odd number of electrons. And then the next topic begins here of the chapter, that is metallic bonding, electron C model. Then next topic is electron C model and properties of metal, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, malleability and ductility. With this, the chapter finishes here. Next chapter starts here, mixtures and separation of mixtures. This chapter starts with chromatography, which has included in the syllabus from class 9th, from class 11th to 9th. Then fractional distillation. How is it different from the simple distillation? Its application. And then the next topic is microscope and microscopy. The chapter is new in the syllabus, that is microscope and microscopy. So the first topic is what is microscope. And next topic is a quick historical journey of microscopes. And then how does a microscope work? Types of light microscope, that is basic classification, a simple microscope, compound microscope, advanced optical microscope. Then the next topic is parts of a compound microscope, and they have given a picture of the microscope showing all the parts involving ocular lenses, revolving nose piece, objective lenses, slide holder, condenser, aperture, condenser, light, fine adjustment, coarse adjustment, all the parts they have shown with the help of the diagram. Then the next topic is light microscope and its working. The next topic is microscopy skills. Next subtopic of it is permanent slides, and some activities they have included like let us observe permanent slides of leaf peel of a mount and dicot leaf. And next subtopic is why, by what factor is the image larger than the actual object. Next topic is types of microscope, which includes all compound microscope, and then magnification, resolution, light, electron microscopes. Next is transmission electron microscope, scanning electron microscope, and then the difference between the TEM and SEM. Next topic is what is a new microscopy and what are the limits. Its new development limitations, where do we use microscopes. And with this the chapter finishes here. After that the new and last chapter starts, that is the engineering life, miracles in biotechnology. The chapter starts with the introduction to biotechnology. Biotechnology involves DNA recombinant technology, or we can say recombinant DNA technology, which is taken from class 12th bio. And then we can see some activities, fermentation at home. And next topic of the chapter is traditional versus modern biotechnology. Traditional and modern biotechnology. And next topic of the chapter is applications of biotechnology in daily life, crop production in agriculture, pest resistant crops. And then the next topic is improving nutritional quality in the food materials. Next topic of the chapter is medicine and healthcare, which involves some steps like DNA isolation, preparing the plasmid, combining the DNA, and creating the medicine factory, mass production and extraction. Next is food processing, bioenzymes, resolutionizing household cleaning. And then next topic is environmental protection, bioremediation. Next topic is bioreactors, powering large scale biotechnology applications. Then which includes fermenters, bioreactors, parts of fermenter, fermentation process, growth of microorganism in a fermenter, lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, and the decline phase. And then that topic is next topic of the chapter is ethical issues in biotechnology. Next topic is equity, the global biotech divide, that involves patent control, biopiracy, and health access. So with this, all these chapters of the syllabus, which have included the topics of advanced level of science, have finished. Hope you like the information. If you need more informative videos, so be with us in the channel. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.